How to change bio on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about changing your bio on TikTok. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you've installed the latest version of TikTok application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. First, you can go to Play Store and then search for TikTok application. Once you find it, tap on it. And if you see an update button instead of open, simply tap on it to update it to its latest version. Now come back, launch your TikTok application. Go to your profile section from the bottom right corner of the screen. And then tap on Edit Profile option. Here you will see different sections such as name, username, bio, links. Click on Bio. Here you can enter whatever you like. And once you're done typing your new bio, you can click on Save in the top right corner of the screen. And the change will be successful. So there you go. So this is how you can change your bio on TikTok. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.